Hello everyone, Jerry Whittle Boats. New arrival, 2007 Suncatcher. This is their fishing cruise model in the 22 foot. As you can see, it's kind of the tan accented in the burgundy. This boat is powered with the Yamaha 4-stroke 90. Came in on trade, checked out real well through the check-in process. This boat will be fully serviced and ready for its next owner. Here we are, a shot of the back, a little bit of the fishing part of it. I'll hop inside and get you a shot of the inside. Here's a peek from the outside, a couple of fishing chairs in the front. There you go. This will be the front of the boat with a couple of casting chairs. What's nice about the fishing cruise is you got all these places to set for your guests when you're just out driving around, and when they're ready to fish, they've got a place to go in the back. Kind of showed you earlier. Also works good just to kind of get away from the center of the boat and everybody else if you want to have some privacy. And here's a shot of the helm for you. Fish graph, nice stereo, good looking dash. Again, this is their 2007 model 22 foot fishing cruise, powered with the 4-stroke 90 Yamaha. We want to thank you again for looking at our video. Come see us. Thanks again.